Hey ghouls, how's everyone doing today? I have a first time order from this sticker shop called Raw Element, and I did take a sneak peek because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do a video or not because of my hand, but here we are. So if you're watching it, obviously I posted it. So anyway, if you want to see what I bought from Raw Element, stick around. All right, y'all, disclaimer about my hand. I have probably already posted the Muse Lab video. But if I have not, but I'm sure I have, so I don't even know why I'm going to go into this. I tripped on the driveway, and I think I've fractured my wrist right here. Not sure. I know it is in a lot of pain, but yeah, I don't know if you see here, there's a little bruise right there, and it looks like I have a broken finger. It's not straight, it curves. I did that when I was 24 in a fight with my ex-husband. And yeah, I didn't go to the hospital then either, so I figure I can survive. At least I'm going to try. So there's the disclaimer on that. Now let's get into the video. So just ignore any scabby spots or anything. I am clumsy. It's just who I am. So, Raw Element, let me show you here. Raw, as in like the eye of Raw. And this was the packaging. Love it. Move it out of the way because it has my deeps on the other side. This cute, I love cute. This folder is awesome. A very nice, it's very thick cardstock, thin chipboard. Very thick cardstock is what I'm going with. It has a picture on here that Stay in Your Magic. Is that not beautiful? Beautiful. But here we go. Let me make sure there is nothing in here that I need to hide either before I go any further. That goes there. I don't believe there is. All right. So, here we go. Raw Element. Now, they are, let's see, rawelement.com, and I'm not sure, but I think they have, I'm not sure, I'm not going to say they have an Etsy because I'm not sure. I thought they did, but I'm not sure. So anyway, let's move on. This is one of the things I ordered because I love this. We are all made of stardust. So I wanted one of these cards to put in my planner. I love this. I am a Moonchild 1,000,000%. Bonus freebies here. I'm going to open this. Let's see here. This card and a little sticker. Slay, slay, babe. Love that. A lot of the stuff from this company is very affirmative. Let's see, affirmations and get it done kind of boss babe kind of things. Psychic readings, Cosmic AF, and Destiny. Then I needed this because we're back to that black and white minimal thing as I was talking about in the Muse Lab video, and I want to add this in to my, see, also like the back has some stuff. Then you can put a quote or something there, or do a collage with a sticker, something on either side actually. And either I can then laminate it and make it a pencil board or something. Probably wouldn't work so good with the stickers though, it'll make it bumpy. Or I'm just gonna put it in, tip it in to my planner. So here we have the first one. This is from the Cosmic AF stuff. Here's the one I had, that card I just showed you, and this is even a sticker here. It has like little cross check marks. Attract what you expect, reflect what you desire, become what you respect, mirror what you admire. Good deal. I like that. Current vibe, making my own magic. See, and I love these little collage-y type pieces here. I like this. I love the colors, everything. And then we have another, I don't know if this is from the same one or not. Please don't hold me to that. It does say CLS03 Cosmic AF at the bottom, so maybe. We have what the planets are and what your action word is, zodiac correspondence. And is that a birth chart? Birth chart basics is on this one here. Here you have a space to write if you needed to, wanted to, not needed, or either way. Tells you about your birth chart basics. I guess it's this one and this picture here. Magic. Gotta love the tape there. And of course, moons. Come on now. You know I love it. Be nice to use these on a blue moon. And then this is, my hair is everywhere. Sorry if you keep seeing my hair. It's stuck to this. All right. This one is Cosmic Renaissance, which is really, really pretty. I really like these colors. The colors are just so nice together. Moon and stars. And I do have some kind of skirt like that I need to wear sometime. May you have courage to do what's good for you. Life isn't supposed to be easy. Behind every strong woman is a story of struggle. Dominate. See? Very positive. Love it. Now, this one no, that's still Cosmic Renaissance. My bad. This page here, I really love this. I think this is gorgeous. The colors, everything. The dress, the gazebo, moon, some stars. I just, the colors. The way it looks like it's torn there. And then you have the other part over here you can layer with. And this one, I believe I bought twice. Yes, I have this one twice. This is the Celestial Luxe. And if you know me, you know why I have this twice. Pink and black and white. And that's my vibe. Stardust, 1,000,000% Stardust. See, and this is something I've been having trouble explaining to my husband. He has some issues. Won't go into them here. It's neither here nor there, whatever. It doesn't pertain to this, other than the fact that I try to explain to him when you're feeling like you don't like things, you know, you're just having a moment and all. You just need to learn to enjoy each moment. You can't change what's outside you. I mean, if we're stuck in, let's say we live here and he doesn't want to be in the city because, you know, he's tired of the people or something, but you can't change it right this minute. Are you going to be miserable forever? Or are you going to actually try to make the best of every situation? And I learned a long time ago, especially in this marriage, that you have to, you know, it's that whole choose your battles thing. Is it worth losing sleep over being angry about something that you absolutely cannot control outside of you? I mean, yeah, it might bum you out, but don't let it destroy you or make you miserable. So you just need to learn that maybe you're not happy where you are now. Doesn't mean you won't in, you know, next year, 3 months, 10 years from now even. It might not be that quick, but just remember, things will change. That's the thing about life. And time and change. It's constant. Boy, well, thanks for coming to this TED Talk. Anyway, this is the second page of it. And the little collage things here, I love that. Because if you know me, you know I like doing collages. So yeah, I like those. So pretty. And yes, I bought 2 of those, as I've already said. Create your own reality. Indeed. And this one is Cosmic Baroque. And I love this one here. This one here makes me so happy. This one here. I love this one. Like this one. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And when I see this, I know they're sprinkling magic dust or stardust or something, but I always think when I was young, I used to catch lightning bugs. We called them lightning bugs. They're fireflies. At my grandma's all the time. And of course, you get a jar and you put holes in the top so they can breathe, and then you make little lanterns, and then you let them go because, of course, you're not going to keep them and kill them because that's just sad and stupid and sick. And this one is the second page of Cosmic Baroque, and I love that. I love the Victorian era and mostly any era era from, let's say, the 50s, maybe the 60s. Yeah. Past. To the past. Yeah. Those are my favorite times. I wasn't born in the right time. I was born way too late for the things I like. But this is just beautiful. All of it's beautiful. Follow your dreams and prove them wrong. That's what I always say. Don't let people dictate anything to you. You do what you do, and I always say, you be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see in yourself. Because once you start seeing it in yourself and you feel it in yourself and you are empowered, the world changes around you. It does. Because you don't take anybody's crap. You don't put up with that. You have limits and boundaries, and you stay fast to what you believe in. And so, yeah. So these are absolutely beautiful. And then I saw somebody who, was it Miss Archiver? She's what do you call it? PR for Raw Element right now for the summer months. And she had some of the smaller sticker sheets. And I was so upset with myself for not getting them. I don't know why I didn't order those, because there's lots of black and pink. And I am so bummed that I did not get them. So looks like I'm off to make another order. Thank you, Grandma, for the money. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I hope everybody is doing well and, you know, staying safe and healthy, and hopefully not falling on your face like I did. I guess I could be happy I didn't actually fall on my face. That would have been horrible. But anyway, that's another story. Just remember, if you like the video, do all the things, the like, subscribe, leave me a comment, say hi. Check in the description box and check the links out, and show some love to these businesses, because they work really hard to give us these things so that we can, you know, decorate our planners or our collages or journals or whatever it is, my computer even. So go check them out. And just remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.